your kindergarten teachers. These videos we will learn about the new letter sound. There is letter sound O. Are you ready? This is a sound of letter sound O. We lick our lollipops, oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. Let's do it one more time, but now it's your turn. We lick our lollipops, Action! Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. Very good. There we go. This is the new letter sound for us. There is letter sound O. Letter sound O is for lollipop. Letter sound O is for log. Letter sound O is for little. Then this is the action of letter sound O. O. Pretend that you are lick the lollipop. O. Now, can you show me the action of letter sound O? Let's go. Great job, Rainbow Kids.
Hello, I'm a lazy lion.
This is the L sound. This is the letter L.
1, 2, 1.
L. L. Lazy lion.
L. Lazy lion.
What's the beginning sound?
L.
What letter is this?
L.
Lion.
Lion.
Lamp.
Lamp.
Leaf.
Leaf.
Lemon.
Lemon. Lemon. Lemon.
Lemon. Lemon.
Lamp. Lamp.
Lamp. Lamp.
Leaf. Leaf.
Leaf. Leaf.
Lion. Lion.
Lion. Lion.
Lemon. Lamp. Leaf. Lion.
Lemon. Lamp. Leaf. Lion.
Lemon. Lamp. Leaf. Lion.
Lemon. Lamp. Leaf. Lion.
This is my lemon. This is my lamp.
This is my lemon. This is my lamp.
This is my leaf. This is my lion.
This is my leaf. This is my lion. Hi kids, for English phonics, we are made the new letter sound. Here is letter sound O. Let's write letter sound O. Okay. We are going to make the uppercase and the lowercase of O. Next, write O, then match. First, our job, we're going to write O and then match. O, is it for key? No, that's not. Lemon, yes. car start from letter sound K. Tetot. How about lion? Lion. Yes, lion, yes. How about air? Air. Oh, it starts from A, Miss Mata. Tetot. Lamp. Lamp. Yes. King. King. Nope. And then leaf. Leaf. Yes. Next, the second, I need you to write this word. Write your name on the top. And then the first we are going to blend this word so we know what is the word. Lab. Lab. Og. Log. Egg. Lag. Add. Lad. Lead. Lead. Now let's rewrite this word. Ab. Lab. Ab. Lab. Ab. Lab. Og. Log. Og. Log. Og. Log. Leg. Egg. Leg. Egg. Leg. Add. Lad. Add. Lad. Add. Lad. Then last one we have id. Lead. It. Lead. Id. Lead. Thank you. I'm pretty sure that you can do the worksheet by yourself. There is